is in my recordings, but I can always fix it later. Okay, so again, mass causes a gravitational field, charge causes an electric field. Now, a field in this scenario is just an area of space where the forces occur. Again, a field is an area of space where the forces occur. And we are going to represent the field with arrows, and we use the field to explain why there are forces. Now, somebody had asked a question about, what is the mechanism that causes the forces between charged objects? And we're kind of waving our hands a little bit and just glossing over the issue and saying, it's the electric field. It's the electric field. We're kind of making it up, you guys. We're saying, I see these forces, I know they exist. There must be this mysterious electric field that makes them happen. So let's look at that a little bit deeper. So what I have here is a thing called a Van de Graaff generator. And what it has is a rubber band. And at the bottom of it, it has some wool. And it's got a motor. And it's going to run the rubber band over the wool. And it gets really charged up. It deposits a lot of negative charge on this ball on the top. As we talked about before, the negative charge on the ball resides on the outside. It wants to spread out as much as possible, and so it resides on the outside. Now, what I have readily available today are these pith balls, which are little styrofoam balls. They're very light. These two came like this, just for such an explanation. And if they're not charged, ooh, you can't see them. If they're not charged, they hang straight down, and they almost touch each other. They don't quite touch each other because I have them attached to this dowel. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to fire this thing up, and I'm going to charge them. Okay, see that? So we know there's a force. Ooh, look at my hair. Okay. Wow, I might have overdone it. I think I overdid it. They're so charged up that now they're sticking to the wooden pole and they don't want to come off. I'll just kind of shake them off here. T-Swift. Shake it off, shake it off. Okay, bring it down. Okay, now, do you see how they're hanging kind of apart? That was like a problem that we saw in the notes, right? There's an electric force between those two things, and we're going to say that that's caused by the electric field. Okay, I'm going to do one other little demo. I'm not sure. We'll see how this works. Okay, I'm up on a chair, so I'm not touching the ground. So right now I am not grounded. I'm trying to make it more difficult for charges to leave my body and hit the ground. And I'm going to turn this on. Actually, I'm going to move this first. Okay, what do you think? Pretty good, huh? Now here's the thing. My hair actually shows the direction of the electric field. My hair actually shows the direction of the electric field. My whole body is negatively charged.